Another week, another drop here in Animworks. Now, welcome to another week. I hope you guys are doing well. And first and foremost, let me take a moment because I always start these by basically dropping a bunch of news and telling you about the newness and the new stuff that you can get. To tell you, thank you very much for all the support. I feel like Animworks is growing exponentially faster and the word is being spread out there and more and more people are coming through. We're getting a lot of traffic on a monthly basis and we're also getting a lot of downloads and purchases and things pretty much every day, if not, many times a week for sure. And it's incredible to see it grow because this was a dream, not a few months ago, right? Early this year. And now to see it coming into fruition and all the opportunities that come with it is incredibly exciting. And then starting to get exclusive content as well on the website. Definitely check out Santi's L Rich's plugins. They are the first ones to be exclusive and they are incredible. The video player and stuff. It's really, really cool. So thank you very much for all the support. And I hope you continue spreading the word on Animworks because, there's many more people out there that are not familiar with it, and I think people are finally starting to understand the flexibility and also how easy it is to actually have your dashboard with all your keys and all your downloads and your favorites and things like that, which hopefully this is making it a little bit more of a house or a place for animators to converge, and that's my dream, and I hope it keeps going. And we have quite a few more surprises under our belt that we're going to reveal over the next few months. Now, with all that being said, what do we have for you this week? And the first one is going to be David Hallowe's ArcBuster. So David has been here before. He's on the website right now, has a plugin already for Blender. He does plugins for Blender exclusively, and his plugins are super top notch, and he has very much like a animation tool belt that you can use right now, similar to what an Animbot or an Animo would be for Blender. So go and check it out if you haven't so far. But this one specifically is called ArcBuster, and what this gives you is very much as the tool name describes. It gives you arcs in Blender, but it goes deeper than that because with it you can basically sculpt your keys within the arcs as you animate. You also have polish sliders which allow you to polish your keys in the viewport as you go through. And you also have things such as rotate explanation that adds a little rotator into your key so you understand exactly how that key is being built in space, which helps a ton. And has things like target bone, lattice, editors, onion skin, active, toggles on bones, and much more. And I kind of wish that the Maya default curve editor would have at least half of these features that David added here for this tool because it's fantastic. Go and check it out if you find it useful. There's going to be plenty of videos here in this video to explain to you, but much more on the website, so check out the link on the description to find out more. Okay, the second drop, and arguably the biggest one, is this incredibly piece of software. It's not even a plugin, it's actually a whole executable software that you can install on your PC, and it's PC only for now. And this software is called Armature Artists. And what this does is incredible. It blew my mind when I saw it. And you install the piece of software, you actually load your geometry either in A pose or T pose, and then via the skills of the software and AI put together, because you have tokens on this, you can basically build your own rig that you can then export into Unreal and start animating it. And to me, as a person that does not rig, that is not technical whatsoever, seeing a piece of software like this makes me believe that I can actually rig my characters as long as I have them in T-pose. And because it runs on your PC, it's not online, it's not software dependent, I think it's really powerful and very fast. And Adrian has the experience to back it up. He has over 14 years of experience working in AAA studios. He has worked in studios such as Sledgehammer, Meta, Ubisoft, and Double Fine. So you know that he has the experience and he knows what he's doing because he's been a technical lead for many years. So definitely check out the page for more information. I think this is going to be an exciting one, a very popular one on the website, because I know for a fact there's many animators out there that are just looking for a rig of a specific character, or they know an artist that can build a character for them, but then they don't know anybody that can rig things for them. And the systems that we have currently in Maya, although they are amazing, they can be very technical as well. So I feel like this piece of software kind of builds the gap between what is very technically complicated. Even auto rigging systems can be slightly complicated, and one that is visual, that you can just move dots around in a geometry, press click, and have your rig. So really excited. Go and check it out on the website for more information. Now, the last one is free, and I know that free gets everybody excited on here on Animworks, so it's just a rig from Noah Lee. Noah already has a couple of rigs on the website already, and this one is called Ila. Is a female character full of personality, also has an Indian look to it, which I think actually makes her very distinct from a regular character out there. And for all those that are looking for a distinct character that works well and is well rigged, I think Ila is going to be a good choice, because Noah Lee is a very experienced technical animator. He's been around, he knows exactly what he's doing. So go and check it out on the website for more information. And that is all I had for you guys this week. Don't forget to join our Discord. We're getting close to about 1,600 members, having a lot of fun, lots of conversations, lots of asks and ideas on how to make things better for the website. So go enjoy the fun there if you haven't joined so far, and I will see you next week. Until then, stay well, stay safe, peace.